soon hear the engines roar. Chunni and Munni are ready to explore. Tiny red cars with a shiny glow. On the road, they're set to go. And then zoom, zoom, zoom down the lane. Chunni and Munni speed like a train. Left and right they steer with care, racing fast through the open air. Ha! They pass the trees, they pass the signs. Wheels go spinning on the white road lines. Beep, beep, says Munni with a laugh. Chunni zooms past, she's going fast. And then zoom, zoom, zoom down the lane. Chunni and Munni speed like a train. Left a hill, then down they slide, racing cars side by side. Oh no, a bunny on the street. They slow down with gentle feet. Safety first, they wait a while, then back to racing with a smile. And oh, zoom, 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 the race is done. Both of them had so much fun. Win or lose, they laugh and play. Chunni and Munni's racing day.